ॐ अखण्डानन्दसम्बोधो वन्दनादि यस्य जायते गोविन्दं तमहं वन्दे चिदानन्दतनुं गुरुं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। श्लोक नंबर 71, पेज number 32. So far we have seen the invocations, then Anubandha Chatushtaya. As part of Anubandha Chatushtaya, the Adhikari Nirupanam is going on. Vishaya, the subject matter, which is Brahmatma Aikya. Jivatma is Paramatma. And the Prayojanam, purpose, is Atyantika Dukkha Nivritti and Paramananda Prapti. And this Grantha is what is going to reveal that subject matter, that is the Sambandha, association. The qualified student who is going to benefit from this text is being described. And for that, Viveka and Vairagya, this is the second qualification that we are seeing. Vairagya towards any pleasures, objects of pleasures, and Dhanam, which is the means of acquiring those objects. So, Vairagya towards that also. That is said in 71. Dhanam bhayanibandhanam satata dukkha samvardhanam prachanda tarakardanam sputita bandhu samvardhanam vishishta gunabadhanam krupanadhi samaradhanam न मुक्तिगति साधनम भवति नापि हृच्छोदनम धनम, the wealth, is भय निबंधनम, भयस्य निबंधनम, कारणम. It is the cause of fear. सतत दुख संवर्धनम, dhanam makes the sorrows grow. In other words, it is the cause of sorrows. Prachanda tarakardanam, it has the glorification which is in the form of deception. Prastobhanam, vidambanam, sputita bandhu samvardhanam, sputita khandito bandhuryena, that because of which between the cousins, between brothers, between relations, there is a hatred, there is a competition which results in hatred, like Pandava, Kaurava, etc. Vishishta guna badhanam, vishishtanam gunanam badhanam, badhanam badhakam pratibandhakam, kripanadhi samaradhanam, kripananam buddhihi. Kripana means those who are miserly in thinking. They worship this wealth. And this wealth is not the means of liberation. मुक्तिगति साधनम नापि हृच्छोधनम, or it is a means for purification of mind. So most of the other defects that are shown here are very well known. Somebody may say, but wealth has some relevance. So that relevance is only when you want to accomplish something in the world. But those who want to renounce the world, those who want to seek moksha, for them, wealth is not of much use. For Chitta Shuddhi, there are other means. You don't need Sakama karma. You can do Nishkama karma like Seva, etc., where you don't need Dhanam. In Bhajagovindam, it is said, Artham anartham bhavaya nityam nasti tatah sukhalesha satyam. Putradapi dhana bhajam bhiti sarvatresha vihitariti. Acharya says, see artham as anartham. Nityam bhavaya. Regularly, constantly think of wealth as the cause of calamities, problems. There is no iota of sukham, na tataha sukhaleshaha satyam. And because of the wealth, there is fear from one's own children, sons and daughters, and the relations. Sarvatra esha vihita riti. And this is how everywhere it is seen. The defects of the wealth. In Yoga Vasishtha, it is said, Lahari Vaika Rupena Padam Kshanam Akurvati Chala Deepa Shikhe Vatir Durgneya Gati Gochara. This Anasampatti is like a wave in the ocean. It comes and disappears in no time. It is chala, it is moving like Deepa Shikha, like a flame of a lamp. Ati Durgneya Gati Gochara. Very difficult to know how the wealth will come and create problems for family also. Ragnyo Bhayam Chaura Bhayam Pramadat Bhayam Tatha Jnati Bhayam Cha Vastutaha Dhanam Bhayagrastam Anarthamulam Yataha Satang Naiva Sukhaya Kalpate. Dhanam Bhayagrastam Cha Anarthamulam. Dhanam, the wealth itself is surrounded by the fear. Means wherever wealth goes, fear will also come. Fear will come there. And it is anarthamulam. What is the anartha? What sorrows it can create? Rajnyaha bhayam, the fear of the king or the government, the income tax people. Chaur bhayam, chaurat, from the thieves there is fear. Pramadat bhayam, if I am not careful, then I will spend extra money. So pramadat bhayam. Tatha jnati bhayam, the relations, they keep looking at a wealthy person and seek help from them. They all are actually relatives of the wealth, not of the person. Wherever wealth is, they become relatives. That's why they are called relatives only. They are relative people. yato yasmat evam tasmat satam. Since this is the case, therefore, wise people tannaiva sukhaya kalpate. They don't consider wealth as the means of happiness. There are so many examples where, because of wealth, people cheat and the whole family falls apart. Bhartrhari has said, Bhoge roga bhayam kule chuti bhayam vitte nrpalad bhayam. Vitta, when wealth is there, nrpalad bhayam. Arjane rakshane dane व्यये वापि च वस्तुतः दुःखमेव सदा नृणाम् न धनं सुख साधनम. Arjane means in acquiring, rakshane in protecting, dane in giving, sharing, vyaye in spending, api vastutah sada dhanam nranam dukkham. In all these cases, wealth is always a means for sorrow only. It is hard earned money, so when you earn, there is pain. To protect, there is pain. To give in charity, you feel these people have not worked hard and they want all my wealth for free. Vyaye, if you spend or if your children spend wealth, dukkham. So sada dhanam dranam manushyanam dukkham, dukkha pradam. Natu sukha sadhanam. It is not the means of sukham. So it is said in Subhashita, Arthanam arjane kleshas tathaiva paripalane. Nashe dukkham vyaye dukkham digarthan klesha karinaha. Artha means wealth. Whatever the idea is given in the shloka, same is given in that. Arthas, the wealth is kleshakari. Satamapi padarthasya labha pravarte viveko lupyate lobhat tasmin lupte vinashyati. Satam, Satpurushanam, the wise people. Wise means those who are viveki, sadhunam. Kadachit padarthasya labhat lobha pravartate. When they get some objects or some wealth, and they can become greedy. When they become greedy, their viveka is lost. This is seen, when people have need for some wealth, because they stretch themselves too much, and then for that wealth, viveka goes away. Wealth is primary now, most important. Viveko lupyate, then they become aviveki. So in which Vishaya Viveka is not there, karma, pravritti, nivritti, what we should do, what we should not do, all of that Viveka goes away. What I should be afraid of, what I should not be afraid of, what is knowledge, what is... All that Viveka, when it is gone, then Bhaya, what I should be afraid of, Ajnanam, Abhaya, Brahmatmaikya Jnanam, all those clarity doesn't remain. And then we suffer. दहत्यलाभे निस्वत्वं लाभे लोभो दहत्यमुम् तस्मात् संतापकं वित्तं कस्य सौख्यं प्रयच्छति. धनस्य लाभे निस्वत्वम, निस्वत्वम धनस्य अलाभे. When dhanam is not there, a person thinks, I don't have anything. Nirdhano asmi. Here it says dahatya labhe. In other words, when dhanam is not there, then person thinks niswatvam, nirdhanatvam, which burns this person. Means the sorrow is so much because of the poverty. And when we gain the wealth, then the greed burns the person. अलाभे निस्वत्वम दहति, लाभे लोभो अमुम दहति. Tasmat santapakam vittam. Therefore, vittam gives sorrow. When it is there, it gives sorrow. When it is not there, it gives sorrow. Kasya saukhyam prayachati. To whom it will give sukham. Some amount of moderate dhanam for householders is acceptable. For sannyasi, it is of no use. भोगेन मत्तता जंतोर दानेन पुनरुद्भवः वृथैवो भयथा वित्तम नास्त्येव गतिरन्यथा. भोगेन जंतोः मत्तता आयाति. When there is bhoga, person becomes intoxicated. Danena punaruddhava. Danam is there, punya will be there, punya will create rebirth. So dhanam will create punya, which will give the rebirth. Remember, this is for those people who are walking on the path of sannyasa. Those who don't want next birth, and those who are 100% committed to this path. Not those people who are comfortable in their grihastha. For them, dhanam and all is required because that is the only means. Yajnena danena tapasa anashakena. So here a quotation is given from Gita. Yajna dana tapak karma na tyajyam karyame vatat. Until I get vividisha and I leave the house, I live in ashram, nija grihat turnam vinirgamyatam. Until that happens, I should continue yajna dana tapa, not tyajya. So dhanam will give punya utpatti, not apunaravritti. इति उभयथापि वित्तम वृथैव निरर्थकम न मोक्षम प्रति तस्य साधनत्वम. So either way, wealth is वृथा एव, not a means for liberation. मोक्षम प्रति तस्य साधनत्वम न, अन्यथा गतिर नास्ति एव इति भावः. So there is no other gati. धनेन मद वृद्धि स्यान् मदेन स्मृतिनाशनम् स्मृतिनाशाद् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. Because of dhanam, mada vriddhi. Person will become intoxicated when wealth is there, like Ravana. Madena smriti nashanam. When that mada is there, person doesn't remember the scriptures, the viveka, etc. Smriti nashat buddhi nasha. Then buddhi nasha takes place. Buddhi nashat pranashyati. Then that person brings his own disaster, calamity. Karya viveka is not there. So in Tika it is given Smriti Shabdena Dharma Dharma Viveka Vijnanam. Tasya Nashat. When Dharma Dharma Viveka Vijnanam is not there, then Buddhi Nasha. Karya Vishaya Viveka Yogyata. Sukhayati Dhanameve Tyantarasha Pishachya. Dridataram Upagudho Mudaloko Jadatma. निवसति तदुपान्ते संततं प्रेक्षमाणो व्रजति तदपि पश्चात् प्राणमेतस्य हृत्वा सुखयति धनमेवेत्यन्तराशापिशाच्या दृढतरमुपगूढो मूढलोको जडात्मा निवसति तदुपान्ते संततं प्रेक्षमाणो व्रजति तदपि पश्चात् प्राणमेतस्य हृत्वा. धनम सुखयति. Wealth gives joy. This kind of thinking, iti antarasha pishachya, by this pishachi, a ghost, pishachya, so this asha itself is pishachi, preta rupa. Adrishta rupa, that which is not seen, and it gives sorrow also, dukkha-daini. By this, dridataram upagudaha, person who is firmly embraced by such erroneous notion that wealth will make me happy, wealth will solve all problems. Basically, people think like this, and therefore all they do is work for only wealth, nothing else. Jadatma mudalokas tadupante santatam prekshamana nivasati. So a mudha person, jadatma mudaloko tadupante, is actually he does upasana of dhanam. Constantly is thinking of wealth only. And then later, paschat, tad dhanamapi etasya pranam hritva vrajati. This wealth itself will give heart attack, any problem, and then it will go away. The chanda of this is Malini chanda. So wealth is never loyal to anyone. Wealth will go away. Person thinks this is mine. Parents thought it was belonging to them. Children will think it will come to them. Dhanam is only Durdasha Karanam. सम्पन्नोऽन्धवदेव किञ्चिदपरं नो वीक्षते चक्षुषा सद्भिर्वर्जितमार्ग एव चरति प्रोत्सारितो बालिशैः तस्मिन्नेव मुहुस्खलनप्रतिपदं गत्वान्धकूपे पतत् त्यस्यान्धत्वनिवर्तकौषधमिदं दारिद्र्यमेवाञ्जनम्. Person who is sadhana sampanna, wealth, person who has material wealth, धन धान्य पशु पुत्र आदि संपन्न, अंधवद एव किंचित अपरम चक्षुषा न वीक्षते. He doesn't see anything else. And he walks on the path which is deserted by the wise people, which is given up by the wise people. Sadbhir varjita marge eva charati. Balishaihi protsaritah. And childish people who have supported this path. Sri dhatu is there. Pra, ut, upasarga purvak, Sri dhatu, nich pratyaya, and then nishtha pratyaya. Sancharati, he walks on such path. Tasminneva pratipadam muhuhu, on that path, at every step, skhalan pratyavan. He slips because he sees that wealth is going to give him all sufferings. Everyone whom you trust, once you have wealth, you start doubting them. Gatva andakupe patati, he falls in a dark pit. Due to the pride of wealth. Asya andhatva nivartakam aushadham, nivartaka aushadham. Kim, what is the medicine for this blindness that has come? Daridryam eva anjanam aushadham. Daridryam is the ocean. Yada dhanena andho bhavati, when a person becomes dhanena andha, and shishtachara, samajika, maryada, etc., sadachara, niyama, he transgresses. And then basically loses the sight of what is his goal, moksha. So never attains anything significantly in life then. Lobha krodhasya dambhasya mado matsara evacha vardhate vitta sampraptya adhanta chitta shodhanam. Vitta sampraptya, when the wealth is acquired, then lobha, greed, krodha, anger, dambha, pretentiousness, madaha, pride, matsara, jealousy, all of these will grow. How this dhanam can be chitta shodhanam? means chitta shuddhehe sadhanam, a means to purify. Na kadapi, never. Alabhad vigunam dukkham vittasya vyaya sambhave ततोपि त्रिगुणं दुःखं दुर्व्यये विदुषामपि. वित्तस्य व्यय संभवे, when the wealth is spent, alabha dvigunam dukkham, when you spend wealth, twice as much sorrow you get than not having it. Durvyaye tu vidushamapi tato trigunam dukkham bhavati, and when it is wasted, then even wise people get thrice as much sorrow. So, not having wealth, 1 unit of sorrow. Spending wealth, twice. Wasting money, 3 times. Because it doesn't come easily. So, you have worked hard and money is just spent on wrong things. And therefore, one should stay away from wealth. Tasmat dhanam durat tyajet ityartha. Nityahitena vittena भयचिन्तानपायिना चित्तस्वास्थ्यं कुतो जन्तोर् गृहस्थेनाहिना यथा. भय चिंता अनपायिना, by the bhaya means fear, chinta means worries. So, endless, unceasing fear, worry, and adversity, they are there in the wealth. Like, if a snake has come in your house, grahasthena yatha ahina, ahi, a snake, then you have endless fear, worry, and adversities. Like that, wealth can do all this. How can that wealth bring peace? So it is ahitakara, not hitakara. And chittasya swasthyam, manashanti, will also not be there. So there is no peace in the mind of a person. Up to here we keep now. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrtau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.